finally got my album cover in, and it is super cute. Love this life is what it says, and you can see my 2 notebooks are in here. Now this is a bonus video for the All About Me collection. On the inside, I've got a couple pockets. I've got this pocket and then this pocket. You can see in this back pocket, I've got a 4x3 card that talks about the different fonts I am using, the covers, the inserts, the collection, all that kind of stuff. And that is going to just sit right in here. I originally thought this cover would have some maybe pocket right here that I can stick that in. Alas, it doesn't. But I feel like it just needs something. And so I am going to try to add some trim. I think this is super freaking cute. The colors don't quite match, but honestly, I don't care. My other option I could have gone with is a red pom-pom. But I don't know, I just want the fun, happy colors. So my thought process on this is this needs to adhere solid to this edge. And then I can add this on top. So you still see the pretty edging, but you've got a double layer of security here. Now, one thing to note on this is there is some tape on the end to help it from fraying. So I'm going to try to remove that tape as gracefully as possible. Ugh. I'm going to have to probably tape this. Yeah, see that? It just frays like crazy. And that's okay. So this is my plan. I am going to use some double-sided adhesive. I'm going to go with the thicker stuff. And I think that'll be okay. So this is just some tear and tape from Dollar Tree. And it is double-sided. And you want to use non-liquid tape on something like this. You can also use liquid. And I think I'm going to do a combo because I really want this sucker to stay. So usually, sorry my desk is a hot mess because I just turned the camera on without all my lighting even. Just to kind of show you what I'm doing here. So I'm going to pull this guy off. So what I did is I took a piece of 110-pound cardstock and I cut it to 4 1/4. And then I taped this with my double-sided adhesive and added my trim. I used my double-sided adhesive to add my fun cardstock, which is from those 4x8 cards. Perfect for this project. And I added that on top. I added a little bit of my art glitter glue on the ends to make sure that this bit does not fray. This is still not quite dry. I added a lot to this. Kind of like fray check. That's kind of how I'm hoping that the art glitter glue will act, as kind of like a fray check, because it does dry pretty hard and it dries clear, which is perfect for what I need it to do. So then what's going to happen is that this is going to slide right in here and it's not going to really move. So I could make this kind of like an intro title page. I could say All About Me stories or something like that, kind of in this area right here, or I can just leave it plain. For right now, I'm choosing to leave it plain. And what happens is this little cute guy is going to stick right in here and just be a little decorative element for when you open the notebook. I think that's super fun, super cute. I might end up shifting this even more over so that these kind of can lay flat here instead of laid down. I don't know. Yeah, I might need to. Just move it over a little bit. I can just cut 1/4 of an inch off and that would be fine. This part is there solely to house this, so I'm okay with cutting this down. It's absolutely okay with me. And that is how you kind of make a cute little insert for your traveler's notebook cover. So just a little bonus tidbit for you. Don't forget to check everything else out that's happening with the All About Me series. There is a playlist that I'll link for you at the end of the video. You can just click on and go to the beginning and start watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.